What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing another little install video. This time we have a really cool rock slider. It's not the normal rock slider that comes out with the tubes like mine. I'll show you mine here. So these are the Super ATV ones. They've seen better days. But these ones are pretty cool. I spotted these on Facebook, and a guy by the name of Willie makes them. They have a little SH tube logo kind of tacked on. It's a real nice finish, kind of like a rhino lining finish on it. Has the X there, and pre-welded standoffs for where you drill your holes, which I have them marked with pink marker because it was hard to see. 1, 2, 3. So that's what we're going to be installing today. I found him on Facebook. I know I get hung up on my rock sliders every now and again on rocks and ruts and mud and stuff like that. So I saw these, and Sherry's busted up her plastic quite a bit, and we figured it was time for rock sliders. But anyway, I found these on Facebook. He posted a picture of them and said that he was making them, and I jumped on it. I got a hold of them, and we got a set. And I figured I would do a little install video, kind of showing you guys what they look like. They basically install the same way. He sends you hardware, bolt washer, lock washer, washer and nut on the inside, and probably won't be able to see in here, but the bolts come through here and get bolted. But right now, Sherry's coming over from the house to the garage, so once she gets over here, we'll drill a hole. I'll have her roll it up. We'll get some bolts in it. And here's the hole saw. It's just a wood hole saw that I'm using. We'll run some holes through the plastic. A couple minute install, really only takes 15-20 minutes probably. The hardest part of the whole install is the one that goes up here. You kind of have to either reach up through here. There's a small hole up underneath. You kind of have to get little hands up through there and hold the nut on. But yeah, other than that, I'll wait until she comes over. We'll get this party started. But definitely, if you guys are looking for some rock sliders, low profile, they sit up real nice and tight against the plastic. They don't stick out. They have a guard underneath. You can see. Pretty sure he does them in a couple different colors, but I'll find his information, and I'll either put it up here on the screen, or I'll throw it in the description. And give him a shout if this is the type of slider you're looking for. It's perfect. I wish I probably would have done these on mine, because I like how low profile they are. They don't stick out or anything. So, but we'll get the install started here in a second. Alright, welcome back, guys. So, Sherry's back. She's the camera woman.
Hello.
You can see we have it drilled. This basically just goes in there. These standoffs that are welded in here go against the frame on the inside. They already have a curve, so they sit nice and flat on the inside. Hold this on there. See if I can get one started. Alright, I think what we're going to do now that I have two in here, probably going to cut the camera, and we'll have Sherry jump on the inside, and we'll tighten this bolt down and this one, and then we'll come back with the finished product here. It'll be a little bit easier with more than two hands. Alright guys, that's the finished install. Check it out, you can see how nice and low profile they are. Looks like it's about 1/8 inch steel or stainless, I'm not really sure. You can see it's SH tube. So if you're looking for a set of rock sliders, look up Willie. You can find him on the Can-Am sites on Facebook. I'll leave his Facebook information in the description. So yeah, get yourself a set. You won't be disappointed.